All right, so you are going to get 2 pieces of clay, and right now they are clay cubes. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your clay cubes and you're just going to make those corners, squish those corners down so that it becomes a sphere, okay? And I like to kind of roll it in my hand a little bit, go like this a little bit, kind of like you would with like a baseball if it was in your hand. All right, and it does not need to be perfect. Just sphere-ish would be okay, ball-ish. Then what you're going to do is you're going to have it in your hand, take your thumb, push it down, okay? Like that. That makes it a little bit rounded like that. You're going to have a cupcake, it's a silicone or rubber cupcake sleeve here. Push that right in there, push your thumb right in, and you're going to give it little pinches like an alligator. Not an eagle, an alligator. And you're just going to push it into your cupcake wrapper there. And it's going to come up the edge, over the edge a little bit. You guys see that?
Yeah.
Okay, great. And then, oh, I almost forgot a tool. You're going to get one of these 2 tools. It's going to look like this or it's going to look like this, but it's the same in that it's these 2. They're called pin tools, okay? And, I mean, they're not over sharp. They're about as sharp as a tack. So, like, don't stab yourself, okay? But, like, they're not dangerous. So then what you're going to do is you're just going to stick your pin tool in there. And I like to just turn my whole cupcake bottom down, and that trims off that. That you're just going to put in the clay recycling. Smooth that out a little bit, and that part is done. Put that off to the side. Then you're going to take your other cube and squish those corners down. And you don't want to do this forever because it will dry out the clay if you just roll it around your hand for like 15 minutes. It should take you about 2 minutes to roll that into a sphere, okay? It does not have to be perfect, okay? Then you're going to put that in your hand. Put your thumb in there, and using alligator pinches, you're gonna roll it around and pinch in your hand. So see how I turn and pinch, turn and pinch, turn and pinch. Did you see how I did that?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I can even turn it upside down and kind of make it a little bit more rounded. Smooth it out. You want nice smooth frosting, right? If your frosting looks all cracked and full of fingerprints, it's not a cupcake you're gonna want to eat, right? It's gonna be like, ew, gross. So you want to kind of smooth that out. And that's easy. To store this so that everybody, because kind of everybody's cupcake looks the same right now until we get it decorated, you are going to write your name and your class code. All right. Set it right there. Set that right there and put it in the cupcake holder.
Okay.
And that is the tray that I'm going to use for our cupcakes,
Okay.
which is pretty sweet because it fits perfectly.
Yeah.
And they will dry just like that. And I've got 2 of these for those of you that are counting how many kids are in the class versus how many cupcakes we have. Okay, so does that make sense to everybody?
Yes.
All right, excellent. Questions?
Nope. Nope.
Yes?
So like, if you wanna like round it, when you like round it and you're like on the frosting, will like clay come off and like bigger?
Yeah, I mean, well, it just smooths out. It does make it a little bit bigger. See?
Yeah.
Just like Play-Doh. It works a lot like Play-Doh. Yes, sir.
Where's the place where you put the clay that you were talking about?
It's going to be on the supply table. All right. Great. Good questions.